Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the BH Studio Pro Shade and Define brow pencil, and I ordered this like a week ago and I haven't tried it yet, but I really want to try it. I actually didn't know which one to get. I was thinking about getting the original one, the one with the brush, but this one had just launched, so I got this one.
On the website it says, make the most of your brows with a Studio Pro Shade and Define Dual Brow Pencil. A retractable double-ended pencil with a thin, darker hued tip for drawing precise, hair-like strokes, and a thicker, slightly lighter hued tip for shading. The smooth, easy glide formula and two tip sizes make it easy to create a full, flattering brows, whether you prefer a natural or more dramatic look. And it is available in a variety of shades. Something I did want to mention was that it is broken. The top of this side is broken, and I was kind of sad because of that. No, it'll still work.
The skinny side looks like this. It's very thin. So let's do some swatches. You can't really see it. I don't know. It's not very pigmented. The other side looks like this. They're not very pigmented. Like, I'm just going to brush my brows, and then I'm going to start with my right brow. I'm just going to lightly outline. I'm going to outline my shape. I do like how it looks natural, and usually I do my eyebrows with the Dip Brow Pomade from Anastasia, but let's brush these hairs down so I can use the other side. I do like how it looks. Draw little strokes, little hairs in the front of my brow. Okay, it looks very natural. Yeah, I do like it. Okay, so I am going to do the other brow, and I am going to speed it up, and then I'll conceal and all that. I will be using my Fit Me concealer to clean up my brows, and I'm just going to use this tiny brush for my concealer. And I just do this to blend out my concealer because I don't want any patches of unblended concealer. just finished doing my eyebrows and I blended my concealer, and I know my concealer might be too light and I don't want to put any face makeup on, just so I could let my face breathe.
But if your concealer is too light, don't do this. Please put some foundation so you can't tell. But I don't really care, so.
My final thoughts on this pencil is, I mean, I do like how it's really buildable, and I'm very light-handed, so I do feel like the swatches, it works better on the brows than on the swatches, so I do like it. I will be using this a lot more because this makes me take forever, and this is pretty fast. Like usually I take like almost 20 minutes on my brows with this, and with this let's say 10, just because today it took 10, but I think it'll be less because it's a lot easier, because you don't have to go back into the thing and dip it and clean it. I love this, but it's very time consuming, so yeah, I do like it. I wasn't sure how I felt about this side, but I think it's a good thing that it has it, and because I can just shade it in really quick. I do recommend this. It's very good if you're like in a hurry or anything. I do like it. I regret not getting the other one, but the one with the brush, because now I have to use an extra one. But it's okay because this one is very easy, like to carry in your bag or anything, and having both sides is easier, because this one, if you were to use this one to shade in your whole brow, it would be very dark because it's very precise, and this one is just like you just shade it in and you're done. So I do love my new pencil actually. I wasn't sure because of the swatches, but it works good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please comment and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video.